This is Wade Fossum with AM 1220 KDDR in Oaks, working on Highway 1, corner of Juniper Avenue, trying to remove a tree that has fallen on a house. Lots of downed trees, straight line winds reported up to 70 miles an hour. This is Wade Fossum with AM 1220 KDDR in Oaks, continuing our coverage of the post-storm cleanup on Monday. This house is right directly behind mine, just a block off of Highway 1. A tree has come down and crushed the garage. We're working on cleanup right now, continuing. Still no power here in Oaks and probably won't be restored today at all. With AM 1220 KDDR in Oaks and NewsDakota.com, continuing our coverage of cleanup of the Oaks Airport. Half of the hangar has been taken away, but the two campers where a couple of the pilots reside are perfectly okay. Wade Fossum reporting for AM 1220 KDDR and NewsDakota.com. We are at the Oaks Airport, where half of the hangar has been destroyed. Working cleanup here on a Monday morning. Wade Fossum reporting for AM 1220 KDDR in Oaks, outside Sheriff Jim Bohannon's residence, where a tree fell on the roof and actually punctured through the ceiling into their bedroom. The tree is completely blocking their driveway. Removing it right now, and we'll go next door and take a look at where I used to live, as this monstrous tree has crushed that house as well. Wade Fossum reporting for AM 1220 KDDR in Oaks. This is the house I used to live in. Large tree that came down right next to Sheriff Jim Bohannon's house. Has completely crushed the front porch and bedroom area. Here we are on the east end of Main Avenue, here in Oaks, Monday morning after our windstorm. Some trees down.